Beautiful weather is here, but the COVID-19 virus is not taking a summer break. Across the country, health officials are reporting a rise in cases that rival numbers typically seen in the winter months.
Fox 13's Jennifer Dowling spoke with health experts in Pierce County and joins us with an update on what they're seeing locally.
Good evening. The data in Pierce County mirrors what health officials are reporting nationally. Pierce County health officials did wastewater testing, and they found that there is indeed a summer surge here as well. They also say hospitalizations have jumped since the spring.
Right now, about 2% of emergency room visits in Pierce County are for COVID.
In Pierce County, wastewater tests and hospitalizations are revealing more about COVID's summer resurgence.
We're seeing similar levels of COVID in wastewater as to what we saw back in the winter during the respiratory virus season.
After a decline in the spring, scientists are seeing a community-level summer surge.
Last year, we saw a similar pattern where we have a spike in COVID in the summer.
Miller says right now about 2% of the emergency room visits in Pierce County are for COVID, compared to only about 0.5% in the spring. That amounts to a fourfold increase. Hospitalizations show a similar pattern. Currently, 1.8% are for COVID, compared to about 0.5% earlier in the spring. Dr. J. Miller says if you have a runny nose or respiratory problems that resemble an allergy, you may want to consider testing.
If you have the ability to do so, get yourself tested. And regardless of that, take steps to prevent getting other people sick.
Dr. Miller also says getting a vaccine is another way to protect yourself.
That doesn't always protect you from getting COVID, but it will protect you from getting very sick from COVID. And it can also provide some protection against getting long COVID.
And for high-risk groups, wearing a mask and avoiding large indoor crowds is something to consider.
Outdoor events are generally quite safe, so people generally don't need to worry about outdoor events, but the biggest place to think about is indoor spaces where there's a lot of other people.
Since the fall, Miller says they've seen around 90 deaths in Pierce County from COVID. That's compared to less than 10 deaths from influenza. Reporting live, Jennifer Dowling, Fox 13 News.